So we should know how to store them, how to process them in Python. Okay. So if you see the outline today, I'm going to define a string. Then there are multiple ways how we can define a string in Python. Then how to escape code. Sometimes we have a requirement like you have a statement where we need certain double quotes, single quotes, then how we can escape them while printing, how to use the print command, and then what are raw strings, what are multi-line strings. Even we talked in the earlier session also. What do we call multi-line strings? Is a name for them. We talked right about comments. There are two types of comments, single line and multi-line. So what do we call multi-line comments?
Multi-line comment. Okay, yeah, Rishi, go ahead.
I can't remember now.
Okay, so if we see here, I have told that there are two types of comments. One is single line that starts with hash, and the other one is multi-line. We call it doc string. It always starts with three double quotes or three single quotes. Okay, so we are going to see here also that what is multi-line string, then how to concatenate and repeat strings, indexing. If possible, we will go for slicing also, because indexing and slicing together in a session may confuse you. So first of all I'll just take indexing, and if possible slicing, and then why strings are immutable and what is in operator. So this is a basic outline. Let's get going. So what do you mean by string?
String, it is a sentence, or it has alphabets as the content inside it.
Okay, so it's a group of alphanumeric characters, right, Vivek?
Right. It can have integers. It can have alphabets.
Yeah, special
characters. Anything.
Correct. So, why they are called strings, there's a little logic behind it. Why? Because all the characters and special characters, numbers, they are stringed together. Okay, and that's why they are called strings. That is the reason. They are strung together, so they are called strings. Now, there are two ways to define a string in Python. One is by using single quotes. For example, if I write here my name by using single quotes, within single quote if write anything, it will be treated as a string. Okay, anything you write within single quote will be string, and if I execute it, you can see that my name is printed over here. Other way is you can use double quotes. Anything you write within double quotes will be treated as string again. So there are two ways. Whatever you write within single quotes or within double quotes are treated as a string. For example, if you want to print this thing, doesn't, how we can print? Any guesses? We know we can use double quote or single quote. I write like this.
Okay, so we need to separate the internal comma with the outside one.
Yes.
So the probable way could be is to use the double quotes, and to distinguish it, to better use a single quote before T.
Yes, if you can see that when I just write, because my main requirement is to publish doesn't has one this single quote. If I want to declare a string doesn't with the help of single quotes, I can't. I need a way to tell our interpreter that this particular code you need to escape it. Okay, you need not to treat it as a string. So what it is going to do, I will use one escape character.